dust behind, but every mile you are on my mind. Through desert dawns and pouring rain, through crowded trains and window pane, I followed echoes of our song, the quiet truth that kept me strong. No matter how the distance grows, your laughter in the silence flows. Like a compass pointing through the dark, you are the rhythm in my heart. I have wandered far with restless feet, down golden roads and backstreet beats, from fading towns to shining lights, through endless days of sleepless nights. The worlds may stand and drift apart, you are every journey in my heart. But love remains. This section ends the story now, with just a final song.